Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris at A&R Supply. Just wanted to show you the different vacuum hose cuffs that we have in stock. And this particular one is our standard 1.5" vacuum hose cuff. So that means it threads onto 1.5" hose on this end. And the other side, the slip side, it fits onto any carpet cleaning tool that has an 1.5" tube on it. So a carpet cleaning wand, upholstery tool, stair tool, tile tool, what have you. And to get this cuff onto your hose, just like any of these standard cuffs, you put the cuff on and you turn it to the left. So it's backwards from what we're used to seeing with bolts and stuff. So you turn it to the left, you keep turning it, and that will tighten the cuff onto the hose. So obviously to get the hose cuff back off, you turn it to the right and it will come right off. So you'll find these in our local store here in Albuquerque, or you can find them on our web store, which is www.arsupplyco.com. Thanks for watching.